Good morning to everyone. Right. Today, blood relations topic. Some more questions we can discuss now. Right. See, in a family of 8 members, there are 2 married couples. There are 2 married couples. W is the brother of S. W is brother of S. W is brother of S. Who is the daughter-in-law of P? Who is the daughter-in-law of P? Who is the daughter-in-law of P? T is the grandson of Q. T is the grandson of Q. R is the only nephew. R is the only nephew. R is the only nephew of V. U is the sister of T. U is the sister of T. U is the sister of T and the daughter of R. And the daughter of R. Q does not have any siblings. Q does not have any siblings. W is brother-in-law of R. W is brother-in-law of R, right? One paragraph question is there on the board, right? One paragraph is given here and prepare the family map. We can discuss the questions now. For every paragraph they will 4 to 5 questions they will give. So, in a family of 8 members, there are 2 married couples. So, totally family 8 members are there. In that 2 married couples means wife and husband will be there. W is brother of S, one condition, comma, this comma refers S only. S, who is the daughter-in-law of P? And next one is given, T is the grandson of Q. R is the only nephew of V. U is the sister of T and daughter of R. U is the sister of T and the daughter of R. This and refers U. Here the comma refers S only, but here the and refers U only. So, Q does not have any siblings. Q does not have any siblings. W is the brother-in-law of R. Prepare the family map, we can discuss now questions, right? In a family of 8 members, there are 2 married couples. I am reading the question. In a family of 8 members, there are 2 married couples. W is brother of S. Who is the daughter-in-law of P? T is the grandson of Q. R is the only nephew of V. U is the sister of T and the daughter of R. Q does not have any siblings. Q does not have any siblings. W is the brother-in-law of R. Yes, my students, right? Yes, my students, right? Shall we discuss now or still you want time to prepare the family map? Yes, my students. Totally 8 members are there. In that 2 married couples means 2 wife and husbands couple will be there. Yes, W is the brother of S. Who is the daughter-in-law of P is given. Yes, one key point will be there for everything. One key point will be there. Yes. W is the brother of S. W is the brother of S. Who is the daughter-in-law of P? That comma refers daughter-in-law of P. Yes. Suppose if we take W is brother of S. W is brother of S. Suppose if we take W is brother of S. So W is brother of S. For S, W is brother. The relation brother. Comma, this S, who is the daughter-in-law of P? So this is daughter-in-law of P. So upper generation, daughter-in-law of P. So this is daughter-in-law means here son will be there for them. This is daughter-in-law means daughter-in-law. Here son will be there. We don't know the son, later we can see. W is brother of S, W is brother of S. This S, who is the daughter-in-law of P? Who is the daughter-in-law of P? Means here one more pair will be there. Yes, daughter-in-law of P. Yes, this one is son. So this point we used here. W is brother of S, who is the daughter-in-law of P, we used here. Next one, T the grandson of Q. T the grandson of Q. Yes, T the grandson of Q. Two pairs are there. Here wife and husband is one pair, another pair is here. T the grandson of Q. Next one is given that R is the only nephew of V. R is the only nephew of V. And is given that U is the sister of T. U is the sister of T. U is the sister of T. U is sister of T. U is sister of T and daughter of R and daughter of R. U is the sister of T and daughter of R. Now, how many points we used here? W is the brother of S, we used here. Who is the daughter-in-law of P, we used here. T is the grandson of Q, we used here. Next one, U is the sister of T and daughter of R, we used here. Still what points are there you see? Still the point says R is the only nephew of V. R is the only nephew of V. So V will be there in the upper generation. V will be there in this generation. V is the only nephew of V. R is the only nephew of V. So here the generation V will be there here. R is the only nephew. Next one, Q does not have any siblings. So Q does not have any siblings. This V belongs to P. So this V belongs to P. R does not have, Q does not have any siblings. So W is the brother-in-law of R. W is the brother-in-law of R. Means sister and brother relation, this will be called brother-in-law. So that is the family map what we got here. That is the family map what we got here. Now my first question is, how is U related to P? How is U related to P? Yes, my students, what is the first question answer? How is U related to P? S is female and R is male here. W is the brother of S means here is brother and R is given brother-in-law of W. R is brother-in-law of W. This is the family map what we got. So this one is a pair, wife and husband. This is another pair, wife and husband. And this one is a sibling of P because Q is not having any siblings. And here one grandson, here and granddaughter of this pair. How is U related to P? That is the question I given at first, right? Yes, my students, how is P related to U related to P? Yes. Yes, my students, what is the answer? How is U related to P? Yes. Yes. Yes, somebody is asking once again the family map. Yes. How is U related to granddaughter? Yes, granddaughter. Very good, very good. Many have written granddaughter. Very good. Yes, Benny, how you got grandson? See once here. Here this circle is there, automatically it is female and this is square, this is male. What we are using? This is circle, we are writing mean that is female. So this is square we are using, that is automatically male. And what we are this oval shape, that is giving us as couple, right? Yes, my students, how is U related to P means granddaughter. Very good, very good. Yes, one more question for the same data, one more question for the same data, right? Yes, my students, right, one more question for the same data, right? If P is male, if P is male, if P is male, then how is Q related to S? Then how Q is related to S? Then how Q is related to S? Yes, my students, right? If P is male, suppose the P is male here, if this one in this pair P is male, if you take, then the question they are asking, how is Q related to S? How is Q related to S? Any one of you? How is Q related to S? If P is male, how is Q related to S? Yes, my students. In this pair, in this couple, it was not given male and female. In the question is given that if P is male, then how Q related to S? Yes, my students, right? Right. If P is male, in this pair, if P is male means, then how Q is related to S? Yes, Q is related to S. So this one is a pair. If you take this one as male, this is becomes female. Then this for this girl, this becomes mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Yes. Some of you writing daughter-in-law. See once here. The question if P is male, how Q related to S? How Q related to S? The relation asking from S to Q. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Answer is mother-in-law. Yes. Suppose the relation S to Q means that is called daughter-in-law, but here the relation how Q is related to S? Mother-in-law. Yes. Very good. Mother-in-law. Yes, my students, mother-in-law. Very good. Very good. One more question for the same data. One more question for the same data. Right. Very good. One more question. Right. Yes, my students, right. One more question for the same data. How is W related to U? How is W is related to U? Yes, my students, right. Let me know the answer for this question. How is W is related to U? W is related to U. How W is there here? How W is related to U? Yes, my students. Let me know the answer. We can discuss now. How is W related to U? The first option is paternal uncle. First option is paternal uncle. Paternal uncle. The second option is maternal uncle. The second option is maternal uncle. Maternal uncle. And the third option is father. And the fourth option is grandfather. And the last option is cannot be determined. Yes, my students, right? Which one is the correct answer? First one or second one or third one or fourth one or fifth one? Now the next question is given. How is W related to U? How is W is related to you? How is W is related to you? Yes, uncle only many are writing. Paternal or maternal? Here uncle is not there. Paternal is there and maternal also there. Paternal means father side, maternal means mother side. Yes, yes. What is the answer? Uncle correct only. Many of writing uncle. Yes, many of you writing uncle. Uncle is correct only. But in the options uncle is not there. Maternal a word is there, paternal also there. Maternal means mother side, paternal means father side. So which one gives answer? First one or second one? Uncle is correct only. So right. So this one is how is W related to you? So for you this is mother and this is father. For you, this is mother and this is father. If you take the family map, for you, this one is mother and this one is father. So, mother side relation, mother side uncle. So, maternal uncle will say, maternal uncle. Uncle is correct only. If it is in the options, uncle is there, you can keep. But here, specially they given paternal word and maternal word. So, mother side relation. For you, yes is mother. Mother side relation, we can call as maternal uncle. Yes, my students, right? Very good, very good. One more question for the same data. One more question for the same data, right? How is P's grandson? How is P's grandson related to how is P's grandson related to R's brother-in-law? R's brother-in-law. Yes, my students, right. If you want, I'll give options. Nephew is the first option. First option, nephew. Second option is brother. Second option is brother. So, third option is uncle. And fourth option is son. Yes, my students, right. And fifth option is none of these. Fifth option is none of these. Yes, my students, what you will get the answer for this question. How is P's grandson? How is P's grandson? P's grandson, how is P's grandson? T. P's grandson means T. Is related to R's brother-in-law. R's brother-in-law. How is P's grandson related to R's brother-in-law? Yes, my students, right. So, what you will get? Shreya, uncle is correct only, right? If they mentioned, you need to write maternal or paternal, right? Very good. Nephew, many of writing nephew, yes, yes, very good, yes, very good, yes, very good. How is P's grandson means T. How is T related to W? P's grandson means T. So, P's grandson means here T. So, how is T related to W? Yes, W means S and W, sister and brother. Sister's son. Sister's son. Sister's son means nephew. Yes, my students, nephew is correct answer. Sister's son. P's grandson means T. T means his sister's son. Sister's son means nephew. Yes, my students, right? Nephew is the correct answer. Yes, right. Very good. One more question for the same data. One more question for the same data, right? Yes, my students, right. One more question for the same data. Right. One more question if you see here. If V is the brother of P, if V is brother of P, V is brother of P, then how many females are there in the family? How many females? How many females are there in the family? How many females are there in the family? Yes, my students, right? What you will get the answer? How many females are there in the family? If V is the brother, V is brother of P. If V is brother of P, then how many females are there in the family? If V is brother of P, this is male means, how many females are there in the family? Yes, my students, right? This is the last question for this paragraph. See once here, if you take this couple, one female will be there. If you take this couple, another female, and this one is one more female. 3 females are there. Yes, very good. 3 is 100% correct, right? One more paragraph I will give. One more paragraph I will write on the board. Just you try to do the question, right? Yes. One more example I am writing on the board. PQ, RS, T, U, V and W or 8 members of a family, or 8 members of a family, 8 members of a family, right? Next one is given that W is T's only brother. W is T's only brother. T's only brother. W is T's only brother. Yes, son. Yes, son is you. And yes, son is you, and yes is P's son. Yes is P's son. Right? Next one. R is T's brother-in-law. R is T's brother-in-law. R is T's brother-in-law. And his mother is Q. V is not Q's husband. V is not Q's husband. R is not yes son. R is not yes son. W has a niece. W has a niece. W has a niece, right? So that is the given paragraph. Prepare the family map. We can discuss now. So this one is the given paragraph. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W are 8 members of a family. So W is T's only brother. That is the first condition. W is T's only brother. Yes, son is you, and yes is P's son. R is T's brother-in-law, and his mother is Q. V is not Q's husband. R is not yes son. W has a niece. Yes, my students. First, prepare the family map. By using these conditions, prepare the family map. We can discuss the questions. So, one key point will be there. Find out the key point here. Yes, son is you. Yes, son is you, and yes is P's son. If you take that point is here, yes, son is you. Yes, son is you. The relation is son. Yes, son is you, and yes is P's son. This yes is P's son. P's son. So here one couple will be there. So here one couple will be there, and here one more couple will be there. Yes. P's son is yes, and you is yes son. According to this, yes son is you, and yes is P's son. So this point completely we used it. Now next one, what point we can take, you see. What point we can take? Yes, still more points are there. W is T's only brother-in-law. W is T's only brother-in-law. One point is there. R is T's brother-in-law. R is T's brother-in-law. One more point. And his mother is Q. And his mother is Q. One more point. V is not Q's husband. One more point. R is not yes son. R is not yes son. One more point is given. R is not yes son. So R is not this pair son means we can take R belongs to another pair. R is not yes son means we can take R to this pair we can take. Yes. Next one. Yes, next one. R is T's brother-in-law. R is T's brother-in-law. We can take. R is T's brother-in-law. R is T's brother-in-law. And his mother is Q. And his mother is Q. Yes, my students, right? Yes. R is T's brother-in-law and his mother is Q. Mother. Yes. Next one. This point completely we used it. So what is the next point you see? V is not Q's husband. V is not Q's husband. Yes, V is not Q's husband. So already we got Q's husband is P. V is not Q's husband means where we can keep V, and W has a niece. W has a niece. Where is W? W is stays only brother-in-law. 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 W has a niece. W has a niece means sister's daughter. Sister's daughter. The letter only remaining is V. That we can write here. W has only niece. See the family map. What I got? First you see the map clearly. Later we can discuss the questions. Yes, my students, got it? Yes. Go through it once. We can discuss the questions. W is stays only brother-in-law. Next one, S is S son is U and S is P's son. Next one, T's brother-in-law. R is T's brother-in-law and his mother is Q. Next one, V is not Q's husband. V is not Q's husband. W has a niece, that is letter V. So this is the family map what we got. Now I will give questions to you. Now I will give questions to you, right? Yes, right. This relation is son and this relation is son. This is mother and this is parents. Okay. So this is son and this one is daughter. This one is daughter. If you take this relation, this is niece is given that. Yes. Now see. We can discuss now the questions. The first question is, who is Q's daughter-in-law? Who is Q's daughter-in-law? Q's daughter-in-law. Yes, let me know the answer. Who is Q's daughter-in-law? Q's daughter-in-law. Who is Q's daughter-in-law? I will check your messages, right? Niece means brother or sister's daughter. Brother or sister's daughter. Niece means. So only brother-in-law means this sister's daughter is niece. Yes. Niece means brother or sister's daughter. Brother's daughter will call as niece. Sister's daughter also will call as niece. Yes, the same confusion you are getting from the last 3 classes. Okay, you are taking the relations in Telugu. Telugu relation is different. Sister's daughter will become daughter, but that is not correct. Brother or sister's daughter is niece. Separate paper will not be there for males and females. Combined paper only will be there. Your sister's daughter means maybe your female means that becomes daughter. If it is male means that becomes niece. 2 answers for the same question will not be there. So you can take brother's daughter or sister's daughter as niece only, right? Somebody asked the doubt. Now my question, who is Q's daughter-in-law? Who is Q's daughter-in-law? Q's daughter-in-law. So this one is son, this one also son. So this is a pair what we got. Q's daughter-in-law means T. So the answer is T. 100% correct, right? So Q's daughter-in-law. Q is there here. Daughter-in-law means here this generation will get. This one grand relation will get. Grandson, granddaughter. So here T only correct. That is my first question. Second question. My second question is there here. My second question. What is the ratio of males to females in the family? Ratio of males and females. Males and females. Yes, my students. Ratio of males and females. Ratio of males and females. By seeing this map, find out what is the ratio of males and females. Yes, my students, right. Ratio of males and females. So this one denoting females and this one denoting males. And this one is denoting pairs. Couple means you are writing like this, couple. So this one is male and this one is females. Now he is asking what is the ratio between males and females. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 males are there. 1, 2, 3 females are there. 5:3 I think, right? Yes, I will check once right. Yes, somebody written 3:5. Gentlemen, I am asking males to females, males and females. Males you take first and females you take next. 5:3. 5:3. Yes, my students, right? Yes. Now my third question, one more question I am writing on the board, right? 5:3 is 100% correct, right? One more question is there on the board. What is the question means? How is R related to V? How is R related to V? How is R related to V? Yes, let me know the answer. If you want, I will give options. Brother. I will give options. Brother is the first option. Second option is father. Second option is father. Third option is daughter. Third option is daughter. Fourth option is uncle. And fifth option is here, none of these. Yes, my students, right. Which answer you will get as? How is R related to V? How is R related to V? How is R related to V? Yes, my father's brother. Father's brother. See, V's mother, V's father. Father's brother, because these two are sons of this pair. So father's brother we can call as uncle. Yes, my students. Fourth option is 100% correct. Fourth option is 100% correct. Yes, my students. Fathers. But suppose in the options paternal uncle is there, that also we can write. Yes, my students, right. One of you written none of these. Yes, my students. How none of these? How none of these? Yes. One or two members written none of these. Option is there here. Yes, my students. None of these is not correct. Uncle is correct only. Uncle is correct only, right. So one more example I will give. One more example I will give. One more question for the same data. One more question, right. One more question for the same data once you see. Yes, my students. Now see one more question. How is P's grandson? How is P's grandson? P's grandson related to T's brother. Related to T's brother. Yes, my students. How is P's grandson related to T's brother? If you want, I will give options. Nephew is the first option. Nephew is the first option. Second option is niece. Second option is niece. Third option is son. And fourth option is daughter. Fourth option is daughter. And fifth option is brother. Yes, my students, right. So what answer we will get here? What answer we will get here? How is P's grandson? How is P's grandson related to T's brother? T's brother. How is P's grandson related to T's brother? T's brother. T's brother is W. Yes, my students, right. Yes. See that clearly. Somebody writing niece here. See, how is P's grandson? How you will get niece here? They are saying grandson, no. So niece, how you will get niece means manakodalu, right? So grandson is saying means you will get nephew only. Yes. P's grandson. So P's grandson means you. So you how related to T's brother? T's brother is W. So T is sister, W is brother. Sister's son. Sister's son we can take as nephew. Sister's son means we can take as nephew. Answer number first option only. Sister's son. P's grandson means you. U is W's sister's son. W's sister's son. Sister's son we can take as nephew. Sister's son means we can take as nephew, right? Yes, nephew is the correct answer. Nephew is the correct answer, right? Yes, my students, right. One more question I will give on the board, right? One more question I will give on the board, right? Sister's son, right? One more example I will give. One more example I will give, right? For the same data, one more example I will write. One more example Which of the following statements is true? Which of the following statements are true? Which of the following statements true are true? Which of the following statements are true? First one, U is our son. This is first statement. Second statement is V is W's daughter. V is W's daughter. And the third statement is P is Q's brother. P is Q's brother. And the fourth statement is W's niece. W's niece is you. And the fifth statement is none of these. Yes, my students, what answer you will get? Yes, my students, what answer you will get? Once you check, one more question is there on the board. Take the family up clearly, and which option is true here? U is our son. U is our son, no. So this statement is not true. Second statement, V is W's daughter. V is W's daughter, no. W's niece. Daughter not, no. Second statement, right? Like that you need to find all the statement which is true you need to find. If there is no true at all, you can write none of these. Yes? Yes, first two options we discussed here. U is not our son. V is W's daughter, not. Third one, P is Q's brother. P is, no, these are wife and husbands. So this is also completely wrong. P is Q's brother is not at all correct. Yes? Yes, my students. Now what is the fourth option? W is niece. W's niece is you. No, this is male, so not niece at all. W's nephew, not niece. This is niece, V. So this one is nephew. So that is also not correct. So all options are not correct here. No true here. So none of these is the answer. None of these. Yes, my students, right? None of these is the answer for this question. None of these, right? Very good. Yes. I think a little confusion so many of you getting about niece and nephew. Niece and nephew. Niece. Brother's daughter. Sister's daughter. So if you are male, your brothers, if you are female, your brother's daughter is niece. If you are female, your sister's daughter also niece only. But according to Telugu relation, sister's daughter means we will call as daughter. That is not applicable here. Brothers or sister's daughter always niece. So like that here, brothers or sister's son always nephew. Always niece and nephew. Don't get any confused. Brothers or sister's son is nephew. Brothers or sister's daughter is niece. Yes, my students, right? Thank you all of you. Tomorrow we can meet.